Businessman Suleiman Carrim is taking the Madlanga Commission to court today in an urgent bid to halt the probe from subpoenaing him to appear before it this Friday. Also, the Commission is expected to hear evidence today from a witness who was meant to testify last Friday. For more on these stories, let's now cross to Sakina and Canny, who are based there for this morning. Good morning to you, Sakina.
Well, morning once more, Leanne, and so much to talk about, so little time. So let's get straight into it. Canny's here with me. So, Canny, let's pick up with Karim and what is the latest in that regard. So, firstly, the Commission, of course, has the powers to subpoena, and as far as I understand, he has been subpoenaed to appear on the 6th of February, 6th of February. So let's talk to that, and of course the application that he's brought and the answering affidavit by the Commission.
Indeed. Good morning to you, Sakina, and to the viewers. It seems that the legal team has had an issue with the process. And I do remember us discussing this, I think, last week, that because it's phase 2 and it's quite adversarial, you're going to have these implicated persons having an issue with something or objecting to something in the process because already they come into this process thinking that, or rather becoming from a defensive posture because there are essentially implicated persons that are being given a right to respond to the allegations against them. So what I understand is that there were negotiations. Even on Friday, they were trying to find one another on this issue, and I think those negotiations fell flat yesterday, and that is when those papers were officially launched, and that is when the Karim is rather seeking quite extraordinary demands in that form of an interdict first, and then pending Part B, which is the review into his, I guess, status as a witness or implicated person before the Commission. So essentially, before the urgent court, what they will seek to do this morning is seek an interdict that will stop the Commission from subpoenaing him from appearing to the Commission on Friday to answer to those allegations regarding his alleged association with Vusimuzi Madlanga, that is the alleged cartel member that is revealed through the WhatsApp exchanges and the subsequent documents that flow from those WhatsApp exchanges that were revealed by Lieutenant General Dumsani Khumalo. He'll have to answer to the alleged sharing of SABC confidential information, the alleged assistance he would have offered to Madlanga, and then of course the alleged financial benefit he would have gotten from Madlanga allegedly after that contract was secured with SABC in respect of Medicare, the company that Vusimuzi Madlanga was involved in.
And just worth noting, and I'm just going to read from the Commission's heads in terms of their response to Mr. Karim. And it says, against the backdrop in which this is filed, Mr. Karim brings the present application under extremely truncated timelines in two parts. Part A, he is seeking to interdict the Commission from calling him to provide a statement to the Commission or subpoenaing him to appear before the Commission for the purpose of giving oral testimony until the outcome of hearing Part B, or until the Commission has actually complied with the rules and regulations. Mr. Karim has already been subpoenaed to appear before the Commission on the 6th of February and does not challenge the subpoena in either Part A or B of his application. And also in Part B, he's seeking to review and set aside the decision of the Commission to call him as a witness until such time that the Commission complies with the principles of natural justice to protect the constitutional rights and so on. So that's where things are at right now. From us here at the Bridget Mabandla College, we'll bring you up to speed with further developments as we move along. But for now, back to you, Leanne.
Canny, Sakina, thanks so much. We'll cross back to you and look forward to your interview after 7:30 this morning.